Salutations! Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a DIY scented laundry booster. And if I'm being completely honest with you, up until last week when I received my Simply Earth recipe box and saw the recipe cards, I didn't even know that there was such a thing as a DIY scented laundry booster. I've always been one who just picked up the laundry soap and the fabric softener in the scents that I've liked, and I've always just been happy with that. Now knowing that I can make my own scented laundry booster, that is kind of a cool thing and I'm pretty excited about it. I started this last week because I wanted to try it out before I brought it to you all, and I gotta tell you, I love it. I absolutely love it. And what I love about this is, one, I think it's more budget friendly. Two, I love the fact that I can switch up my scents whenever I like using essential oils. I've used it in about 5 or 6 loads and it has really left my laundry smelling very fragrant. I am really excited about this DIY laundry booster. So let's jump into it and let me show you how you can make your own DIY scented laundry booster for so inexpensive.
For this scented laundry booster, I will be using this multi-purpose Epsom salt. I picked up this 8-pound bag at Walmart for $5. I'll be using 4 cups of the Epsom salt for this batch. And for the scent today, I will be using Simply Earth's Blood Orange Essential Oil. This scent is a bit citrusy, so I think it's a fun scent to use during the spring and summertime. I'm gonna add about 30 drops to this mixture. And I'm just gonna mix it with my plastic spatula until my Epsom salt is completely covered with essential oils. And you can tell that it's covered because you will see your Epsom salt changing colors. You can add as much or as little essential oils as you like depending on how fragrant you want it to be. And oh my word, does this smell amazing. For storage purposes, I picked up this corked glass bottle from the Dollar Tree. And using a funnel to put the laundry scent into this glass bottle makes it easy peasy and it's mess free. And to label my laundry boost, I'll be using these chalkboard labels. This is a 24 count that I picked up from Hobby Lobby for $3.99. Using my 50% off coupon, I paid $2, which is less expensive than Walmart, and you get more. To use this scented laundry booster, I'm just gonna do my laundry like I usually do. I personally use whatever laundry soap is on sale at the time whenever I need to buy it for a high efficiency washing machine. In this case, I am using Arm & Hammer's laundry soap with OxiClean. I'm gonna place it in my soap dispenser, and I won't be using a fabric softener. In place of the fabric softener, I will be adding 1/4 cup of my scented laundry boost. You can add as much or as little as you want to make your laundry as fragrant as you like. And it really is just as simple as that. Fresh smelling laundry using your essential oils. If you haven't seen Kayla's video of the week, make sure to head on over to her channel and watch her video this week of her recreating her brother's Instagram pictures. It is sure to make you laugh. I know I was laughing.
Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this DIY scented laundry booster. I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to hear from those of you who try it to get your feedback to see how you like this. I gotta tell you, this is something that I am definitely going to be implementing into my laundry from here on out because I like it so much. And what I like most about this is that I can switch whatever fragrance that I want my laundry to smell like so easily. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.